If you have a loved one who's no longer capable of making their own financial decisions and has assets that would go to waste if no one was put in charge of those assets, then you may be seeking a conservatorship. Now, a conservatorship is a court process whereby one needs to petition to become the conservator of the individual that you're concerned about. If appointed, that person then has authority to manage the assets of the individual that you're concerned about. In a conservatorship, it does not mean that that person is incapacitated. Incapacity applies in a guardianship case. If an individual is not able to manage their finances on their own, then a conservator is the person who has the authority to help in that situation. Conservatorships may come up in several situations. If you've got a child or a loved one who's chronically addicted to drugs, if someone is currently comatose, in a comatose state, and an asset needs to be sold, it may just be a one-off type of experience. But a conservatorship establishes authority to transact for another person on a financial basis. Now, this is different than a guardianship, as a guardianship is authority over an individual's being. So we're talking about medical type decisions, educational type decisions, residential placement type decisions. Now, one can get a guardianship and a conservatorship at the same time, and a guardian and conservator can be the same person, but they do have different roles. So if you need medical authority over an individual, or financial authority, or both, or maybe you're not sure, please call our office and we're happy to help.